Join the fun and chaos of the kitchen with live audience. You might think all Indian dishes are spicy. Well, this not. No chili at all, believe me. Find out. You're watching the cooking series. Let's join Romilo at his small kitchen. Warm welcome. Your Korean uncle here. Welcome to our small kitchen. Today I'm cooking a very complicated dish. Guess from where is this? From India. It is called chicken korma. Wish me luck because the ingredients are very complicated. So I'll run you through the ingredients. I have here a kilo of chicken. Avoid using chicken breast because chicken breast does not absorb the flavor or the sauce very well. So I recommend chicken leg, but not the chicken breast. I'm using here the pieces from the chicken leg. Let's go to the spices. This is coriander, ground coriander, black pepper, and this is ground cloves. This is the cardamom now. Optional, saffron. If you're from North America, saffron. And this is turmeric powder and garam masala. Garam masala is a premix combination of different spices, but you can also buy this ready-made. For the sofrito, the classic ginger and garlic. I forgot to introduce the other ingredients. We also need nuts to further enrich the flavor. I have here almond, but cashew nuts or peanuts will do. Yogurt. Again, this is an Indian dish. If it is from North India, they would be using yogurt. But if it is from South India, it will be coconut milk. By the way, we have a live audience here, and I'd like to greet Julia Lucatur here and Bricks TV who are watching us live. And let's add more. I can't reach my onion. I have to slide my table because we need 2 onions here. Where's my wife? Sorry, it's under the table. It's not there. This is part of the story. Don't cut. Everything, every failures, don't cut please. This is part of the story. So I have prepared the rest beforehand, but I forgot these onions. It's very difficult to be shooting at the same time welcoming your live audience. By the way, warm welcome to you out there who are watching. Who else are still there? Be active, interact so that I can identify you. Siki Madura Viana is also there. Warm welcome to our live shooting. We are shooting, by the way, Kimadura. So you're fortunate. You'll be given a shout out for live. As long as this video runs, you'll be given a shout out. Yeah, it's good for your algorithm. Yeah, I think I have. No, I still need one. One more onion. One more onion. One thing that we don't have in the Philippines is because in Bangkok, we have audience from Bangkok. They usually pound the ingredients, even in India, or even in Indonesia. They have mortar and pestle for the spices. We don't have that, but I have a solution to that. I'll be blending the garlic and the ginger. Okay, we should save time. I should be stir frying now the onion first. We don't need those glasses. While waiting for that to boil, or just to get warm, I'm going to blend the spices. The basic spices, which I always call sofrito. That will be good. Again. None of this is saying you can even smell the mantika or the oil. Where is my... Here. I think I'll be using an apron. I'll be using an apron. Okay, come closer now, cameraman, because we're stir frying. We'll start with the onion. And I just learned today from someone from India that the stir fry, if you really want it delicious, it takes usually 15 minutes to get all the aroma and flavor of the onions, and to even accelerate the caramelization of the onion, add salt. It's basic chemistry or physics. Higher concentration requires, or higher liquid concentration requires or results into higher boiling temperature. So the higher boiling temperature, the faster would be the caramelization. Chemistry lesson. Chemistry lesson to our live audience. May exam mamaya. Ito mapapala mo rito kay Channel 1, mayroon pang lecture. So let's have this caramelized with patience. And while this caramelizes, I want to give thanks or big shout out to our participants here. To nam this to Papong TV. Sino pa? Jumbo Project, our very loyal friend from Pasig. Sino pa? Si Supplementary TV. Hello sa lahat, sabi niya. Warm welcome. It's not enough. We'll have to blend this bit well. Jira, your ears. Ano ba yan? Wendelin! Nandiyan si Wendelin. Yeah, our newest friend on YT. Our protege. Notice that our ginger, or not our onion, is beginning to caramelize. If you can only smell it. I still want to thank our live audience here. Thank you for joining your kuya in this live cooking. This is live streaming. Make a show and then just shout out. Okay. Salamat sa mga nagpunta rito. And make friends with everyone. It's now caramelized. I'm adding the ginger and garlic solution. Not solution, mixture. Yeah. O lalabas na tinubas, dite, or diho, Jamba Project. Jamba Project de Pasig in Manila. I have to wash this for the next blending. Guess what that will be? Yes. Let's add the spices now, and this will be interesting. Let's add the chicken first. Some add the spices first, but I'd like to add the chicken first. I don't know why, but that's what I feel today. I don't know why. I might as well add them together now. First, everything, yeah? Everything. I've got no time to mention what those are. The garam masala, the turmeric, and the cardamom and the saffron. If you can only smell this. Oh, yeah, yeah. We have 9 friends who are watching online. Papong shout out! Papong, yeah, mag-isdaan na tayo. While this cooks, I'm going to prepare our cream almond nuts. At least 12. At least 12. Are we good? Or more? And blend it. Tamsak na daw, sabi ni Papong TV. And use Greek yogurt, Greek or Turkish yogurt. It should be 20% fat. I couldn't even find the opening. Where is it? Ah, there. And 1/4 cup of the yogurt. No, not yet, not 1/4 cup. That's for the other procedure. Just enough to provide liquid for this. The chicken begins to cook, and it begins to cook. So I'm adding now. It's even cooked already. I'm adding 1/4 cup of yogurt. Yeah. Again, this is the North Indian version. If it was a South Indian version, it would be coconut cream or milk. Yeah. Let's put it back. And while waiting for that to boil, or once it boils, we'll add water. But I'm gonna blend this almonds now. It's really busy here in this kitchen. Ay, why does it? Sorry. That's really good. Sorry, that's the last time. No more grinding. Look how creamy is that. Look how creamy is that. Let's add some water. Yeah. Let's boil this with the lid on. And we return to our live audience. We have a live audience here in the shoot of Chicken Korma. I'd like to thank Iñaki TV, thank you very much. Carmi Vlogs, Alfred Cass, who was also with us. Si Num Num Dis, Doy Doy, si Ralph XY TV, at saka si The Jumper Project. Salamat sa pagpunta. And don't forget, Mi Bari Mi Mundo was also with us, our sister channel. Thank you. Thank you for joining. You know what? It's more on the watery side. That's why I left it open to accelerate the evaporation of the water. And I might also put this now, the ground almond. This gives the creaminess to the recipe. To our Pinoy Kagabayan, this has the same effect as adding peanut butter to the kare-kare. You know what? It almost burned because I left the flame at high. And I now understand why most chefs would recommend adding the nuts at the end because they easily burn. And this Romulo is very confident and doesn't obey procedures. He did it all at once, but it was not burnt that much. so it's eatable. We can turn this off now. Let's taste it. You want to taste it, cameraman? Yeah?
Yeah.
It's still boiling. You can still see the whispers of steam. Our chicken korma. Our chicken korma, a dish from India, and Channel 1 did it al north. That doesn't sound good. Chicken korma, a dish from India. It's a bit complicated because of the spices, but this is delicious. And we made it to the style of North India. Explore! There's more than chicken adobo. Enrich your cuisine, enrich your cocina. Learn and explore with Channel 1. Thank you for joining me, and also thank you for our live audience. Thank you for joining your kuya today, Sunday afternoon. And if you like what you saw here, don't forget to give me a like or leave some comments. If you complain, also drop your complaint. And support this mission of sharing our dish to the world, our Pinoy dishes to the world. At the same time, expose our palate, the Panlasang Pinoy, to other flavors and traditions. Until next time, Dios te ingat. Bye-bye.